So guys, this is how to create account on WeCash. So head on to your browser, you type WeCash. WeCashApp.com. I send. So guys, it has loaded up. So head on to your scroll down there, you see all this part here says sign up. You sign up with your email. So you input your email right here. For me, I'll be using my email. So let me input my email. Click on claim your gift. So it has brought you to another page, which is you have to put your password and you take this agree to their private policy and terms and services. So you have to input your password. So guys, you have to input your password. So for security reasons, let me pause the video and then just input my password. So I've inputted my password. So click on this take this agree to policy. Then click on sign up. So guys, we have successfully signed up on. We have successfully created an account on WeCash. So you can save it or you can neither just leave it. So for me, I don't feel like to save it. So guys, this is the account right there. So next, you have to verify your email. So you click on this icon right here. Click on profile. Then you click on settings. So you see this part where it says verify email. Then you click on verify. They'll send you a verification link. It will say fail to send verification link. You are unable to send the verification link. Please try again later. Okay, so let me try it again. I click on verify. Okay, you can see verification link sent. So what you have to do now is to head on to your Gmail, then click on the verify the link, copy the link. So I will be taking you to my Gmail right now. Let me take it to my Gmail. So guys, here's my Gmail right here. So this is the link. This is the Wicas verify link. So you also have to copy the link, copy the URL. That is the that is the wrong one. So copy the second one. So we verify click on that verification link 2 times. So they sent the link 2 times. That's why you can see both of them are the same link. So this is the one that comes recently. Look at the time. So this is 9:24 p.m. So this is 9:22. So this is the recent one. Let's copy this one and head on to our browser. So open a new tab. Then we'll paste the link that right there and click on send. So guys, you can see say your email has been verified. So now you can head on to the normal home tab. So let's refresh. Click on settings. As you can see, the verify email has been removed. So now we have verified our account. So now you are good to take survey right now. So you just have to start taking surveys. So this is how to create a WeCash account. Peace out.